Hello aspirants, and let's talk about El Nino and La Nina. But before that, Competition Care is bringing a crash course for all the aspirants june upcoming APSC prelims or babe preparation cholai ase. We also have an early bird offer junto kintu sonkale shekh hobole goi ase. So early bird offer avail koribor babe amak etiye contact korok nohole ei video tur tolat comment etao eribo pare. Now coming back to El Nino and La Nina. Ei gote situation tok ami tinita stage ot bhogai disu. Number 1 is normal condition. Normal condition ot ki hoy Pacific Ocean or strong trade winds e east or western loke warm ocean currents push kore jar folot western side a low pressure zone aru easter fale high pressure zone create hoy aru ei high pra low pressure zone or loke monsoonal winds travel kore. Now coming to El Nino. El Nino ki hoy ei trade winds bur bahut weak thake jar folot western side a high pressure aru easter side a low pressure zone create hoy, and due to this movements of monsoonal winds বৰ এটা ভাল নহয় গৈ it's not very possible এই ফলত কি হয় ইন্ডিয়াত low rain আৰু drought conditions হ'ব পাৰে in La Nina the trade winds are way too strong jar ফলত monsoonal winds or movement বহুত high হয় which can lead to high rain নহলে floods in India. So this is all for today আৰু যোৱাৰ আগতে আকৌ এবাৰ মনত পেলাই দিছো যে 8 January পৰা আমাৰ crash course start হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে so সোনকালে seats book কৰক